Right, students. So this is the another method of summary division. So here we are finding the quotient and remainder when f of x polynomial degree n is divided by x square minus px minus q. This is the second degree polynomial. So we are dividing with the second degree polynomial. So the remainder is the first degree. When we are dividing with second degree, the remainder is the first degree. First degree polynomial means ax plus b. Degree 0 constant, that is some k or 10 or 100. Degree 1 means polynomial ax plus b. Degree 2 quadratic. So here we are dividing with degree 2. So the remainder is less than degree less than 2. That means degree less than or equal to 1. What is the degree 1 means? Ax plus b. That is the remainder we will see. And see the process. F of x is a polynomial degree 5 and we are dividing with x square minus x minus 3. So this is a little bit different from the first one. In the first one we have divided with the x minus 4, x plus 2 like that. That is the degree 1. So that is the easy method. Right. Whenever we are dividing with x square minus x minus 3, you compare this with x square minus px minus 2. So this is the standard notation. So always you compare with x square minus px minus q. So p equal to 1 and whatever q equal to 3. P equal to 1, q equal to 3. Right. The same process. Here what is the x power 5 quotient? 2. What is the x power 4 quotient? Minus 3. What is the x cube quotient? 5. What is the x square quotient? Minus 3. X quotient 7. Constant minus 9. Whatever the roots, we have p equal to 1 and q equal to 3. Here we get the two lines. In the previous method, only one line. Here we get p equal to 1. Q equal to 3. Right. The first method is here you put 0 and this put 0. This is the first step. And one more thing. You put 0 here, you put 0. So the first one is 0 and last one is 0. And here you put first 0 and second one also 0. This is the starting step. Now we add this one. 2 plus 0 plus 0. 2. What about 2 into 1? 2. What about 2 into 3? 6. But here already we put 0, so no need to start with the second row. Only you have to multiply with the first row. Again. So this is the first step. Now 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. What is the 2 into 1? 2. This we will not do right now. In the next step. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. And observe the 2 into 3 you have to do. Before minus 1, 2. What is the 2 into 3? 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 into 1, 10. But before 10, minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 10 minus 6, 4. What is the 4 into 1? 4. Here before 4, 10. 10 into 3,
30.
34 plus 7, 41. Here 41 into 1, no need to multiply. Already you kept 0. So no need that. Before that, 4 into 3, 4. What about 12 minus 9? 3. This is the remainder. Now what is the remainder? R of x equal to constant first degree 41x plus 3. Constant first degree 41x plus 3. What is the quotient? Q of x equal to constant x quotient, x square quotient, x cube. 2x cube minus x square plus 10x plus 4. This is the answer. Right, students? So this is the process. Once again I am telling you. Zero zero. So this is the starting step of the synthetic division. When we are dividing with the quadratic polynomial. So p equal to 1, q equal to 3. Always you should compare with this only. Right. First 0, last 0. And here second row, first 2 are zeros. Again start the process. 2 plus 0 plus 0. 2. 2 into 1, 2. And 2 into 3 you will not do it right now. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Before minus 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 5 plus 6, 11 minus 1, 10. 10 into 1, 10. Before 10, minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 into 1, 4. 10 into 3, 30. 41. So 41 into 1, no need to do. Already you kept 0. Before 41, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Over. So whatever the remainder, constant, see, we are dividing with the second degree. So the remainder is the degree 1. So 41x plus 3, that is the degree 1. Constant plus x quotient. This is the quotient. What is the quotient? Constant, x quotient, x square quotient, x cube quotient. 2x cube minus x square plus 10x plus 4. Okay. So now we will do one more example. Right, this is the 4th degree polynomial. We are dividing with the quadratic. So first you compare this one. X square minus 3x minus 2. What is the p equal to 7? Whatever the q equal to minus 2. P equal to 7, q equal to minus 2. Okay. What is the x power 4 quotient? 1 minus 11. X square quotient 44. X quotient minus 76, 40. What are the p equal to? 7. And what are q equal to? Minus 4. First 0, last 0. Second row, first 2 are zeros. Understand this step. First row, first 0, last 0. Second row, first 2 are zeros. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 1 into 7, 7. Minus 11 plus 7. Minus 4. 7 into minus 4. Minus 28. 1 into minus 4. Minus 4. Observe that one. Before minus 4. 1. 1 into minus 12. Minus 12. 44. Minus 28. Minus 12. 44 minus 44. 4 into 7. 28. Before 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4. Plus 48. So 48, 28, 76 minus 76, 0. 0 before 4. 4 into minus 12. Minus 48. 0. What is the remainder? 0. 0 into x plus 0. And what are the quotient? Constant, x term, x square. X square minus 4x plus 4. this is the way we will do for the polynomial dividing with the second degree. Always remember comparing with x square minus px minus 2. That is the standard. Right.